guys, so today I will do a quick video makeup routine, everyday makeup with those guys, using those guys. Very quick, simple, nothing to impress. Keep on watching. So first I'm using Tarte Shape Tape Concealer on my face in those places where I need, which is everywhere, and then under my eyes I'll use MAC concealer, which is lighter. It's a bit too light for my skin, but I will mix it with another concealer, so hopefully it will match in the end. But I want to have very natural look, so I don't want to cover everything, just the places I need. I use this brush, and Tarte Shape Tape is light sand, which is too light for me. Now NC15 Pro Longwear Concealer from MAC under my nose. I will use my fingers. It is also too light, but as I said, I'll mix it with contour kit from RCMA, a little bit of bronzing powder, and that will do. These two bad boys on my cheeks. It's RCMA contour kit, it's S1 and S5. Same brush. Must say that this iPhone exaggerates my imperfections a lot. In real life it doesn't look so bad. My nose. And big forehead. A tiny bit of Laura Mercier powder. I don't normally use powder as I've got acne skin, but because I've used benzoyl peroxide and it makes my skin so shiny, so I want to use a little bit of powder. Obviously makeup stays on place for longer as well, but for everyday use, more important for me is to have clearer skin than better makeup, if you know what I mean. I think you know what I mean if you've got acne prone skin. Okay, so now I'll use it's Sleek Light Face Contour Kit, and I will contour my face again a little bit. Oh my god, that was a lot, but we'll fix it just a little bit. I said a little bit, we just need to blend it, right? For highlighter I will use Claire Blanc Minerals. It's in a shade, let me see, the shade Oh Glow Night Light 26, and it's amazing. Show you, it's gorgeous. Yeah, so I'll use it on my cheeks, just a little bit. I will squeeze the brush and use just a tiny bit because obviously I've got shiny face anyway, but a little bit of highlight is always nice. Little brush, my brows. I'll set them a little bit with the mascara in a minute. Primer, Urban Decay. Now I use my fingers to blend it. Now I will use a little bit of Mercury lightly above my crease, as I've got hooded eyes. Mercury is a shade from Anastasia Beverly Hills. Yeah, and now I'll blend it very good until the lines are seamless. This was Mercury, and now I'll use New Wave under my eyes. As you can see, it's terrible, falling like crazy. Not blend very well. Now Rimmel liquid eyeliner, very lightly. A little bit thicker in the ends. A black crayon right under my waterline. Now mascara. Upper lashes. I don't know, I don't remember the brand of this mascara. The only thing I remember, it was cruelty free, and I bought it in Superdrug. I like it very much how it looks underneath. It's dual, but I don't like this part for upper eyelashes, just because I had much better than this. But underneath it looks very good. You can see right now. I'll take a picture, but it really looks nice. When the brush is clean, I'll use it on my brows, just a tiny bit. I don't want them to be too dark, but I like this bushy look that you can see everywhere on models. Not on Instagram ones, but real models. I messed up a little bit, but I'll tidy up in a sec. For my blush, I will use this lovely lipstick. It's from Eveline. It's Velvet Matte 207, and I will use it like that. And on my lips as well. And now blend this thing, unless you want to have a special look. You can leave it like that. Sorry that I'm dabbing and moving the camera, but I'm holding this in my hand. I'm not using any tripod or anything. Yeah, and that's one of my everyday looks. It's quite heavy eye, but I like it. Sometimes I'm not using any crayon or eyeshadow, only mascara, and that's okay, or only in the crease a little bit of eyeshadow. But for today I like this look. Oops, sorry. And I like to use a little bit of blush and just to have a sun-kissed look. I've got different colors on my body and different colors on my face, so when I use more blush it looks more natural, and I don't have to put the whole foundation on my face to just match it to my the rest of the body. I just use the bronzer or the contour, and then it mixes, I hope so, a little bit together. Yeah, thank you very much for watching. See you soon. Bye.